Hello friends, in this video we are going to derive some identities relating to the trigonometric ratios of a, b, c, which are real numbers satisfying the conditions such as a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees, and then the next condition would be a plus b plus c is equal to 90 degrees, and then the last condition, which is a plus b plus c is equal to 0 degrees. And now let us go with the first condition and derive some identities. So let us assume that c is getting transferred. So here we get a plus b is equal to 180 degrees minus c. And now let us apply the trigonometric ratio sine on both sides. So here we get sine a plus b is equal to sine 180 minus c. And now here we get the value of sine a plus b is equal to the value of sine 180 minus c, that is sine 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta. So here we get sine c. So this is the identity, and similarly we can also get the identity for sine b plus c is equal to sine a, and sine c plus a is equal to sine b. So here these are the identities where we can replace the value of c with a plus b and so on. And now let us apply the trigonometric ratio cos. So by applying cos, we get cos a plus b is equal to cos 180 degrees minus c. And now this is in the form of cos 180 minus theta, which is equal to minus cos theta. So here we get minus cos c. So this is the identity. And similarly, we can also get the value for cos b plus c will be equal to minus cos a. And then cos c plus a will be equal to minus cos b. And now let us come to the next condition, which is a plus b plus c is equal to 90 degrees. So by transferring c to the right hand side, we get a plus b is equal to 90 degrees minus c, and then applying sine, we get sine a plus b is equal to sine 90 degrees minus c, which is in the form of sine 90 minus theta, which is equal to cos theta. So here we get cos c as the value of sine a plus b. This means that we can replace the value of sine a plus b with cos c. And similarly, we can also get a few more identities like sine b plus c will be equal to cos e, and then sine c plus a will be equal to cos b. And now by applying cos on both the sides, we get cos a plus b is equal to cos 90 degrees minus c, and cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. So here we get sine c as the value of cos a plus b. And similarly, we get the different values like cos b plus c will be equal to sine a, and the identity such as cos c plus a will be equal to sine b. And here we can also get the identity for submultiple angle by just dividing 2. So here let us divide 2. We get sine a plus b by 2 is equal to cos c by 2. So this is the identity for submultiple angle. And now coming to the next condition where sum of the angles is equal to 0 degrees. So by transferring c to the right hand side, we get a plus b is equal to 0 degrees minus c. And then applying sine, we get sine a plus b is equal to sine of minus c. And we already know that sine of minus c will be equal to minus sine c. And similarly, we get various identities like sine b plus c will be equal to minus sine a, and then sine c plus a will be equal to minus sine b. And then applying cos, we get cos a plus b is equal to cos of minus c, and here cos of minus c will be cos c. So this is identity, and then we also get an identity called cos b plus c is equal to cos a, and cos c plus a will be equal to cos b. So all these identity mostly depend upon the conditions given, such as sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 or 90 or 0 degrees or some other angle. So make a note of all these identities, and these identities are useful in solving examples in our next videos. Hope you understood the concept. For more videos, visit our website, VTech Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.